The channel. Today we're going to talk about Amazon KDP's new AI policy, and I'm going to also talk about some frequently asked questions and how Amazon AI policy will affect authors as well. So Amazon KDP has significantly changed its policies regarding using artificial intelligence in self-published books. This change, I covered it in a previous video that you can access in the description box below. It has raised several questions among authors. To help you understand this new policy better, I've gathered some frequently asked questions and provided answers to guide you on these new changes. So first of all, let us break down and understand the new AI policy. Amazon's AI policy concerns a straightforward question. Are you using AI to create content for your KDP books? This new policy requires authors to answer this specific question honestly and specify the type of AI content they are using. So let's have a breakdown of the foundational aspects of this new policy. We've got AI content categories, which include texts. So in regards to text, you must specify if your book's text has been generated with AI. It could be full text, it could be sections of the text. We also have images. This must be declared if you're using AI to generate images within your book, such as Midjourney. We also have translations. Any AI generated translations used in your book should also be disclosed. Here comes the second section, which is the levels of editing. So for each of the above categories that we talked about, each of the previous categories, KDP asks authors to indicate the level of human editing the content has undergone. You have some options here. First of all, did you edit subsections with minimal or no editing? Is there subsections with extensive editing? Is the entire work with minimal or no editing? Is it real work with extensive editing, or is it other? Here we have the third section, which is providing tool details. Here you must list the AI tools or the software that you use to generate your AI content. So why is Amazon collecting this information? Amazon's goals in collecting this data is to ensure, first of all, transparency, second of all, compliance with its content guidelines. When adequately edited or refined, AI generated content, it can actually result in better customer experiences. It can also be quite helpful. So it's worth noting that that there is a distinction between AI generated content and AI assisted content. Let's identify here. We have the AI generated content. It's basically created entirely by AI tools with minimal human intervention. The second one is AI assisted content, which basically involves using AI to enhance or improve existing content, such as editing, refining, and error checking as well. Now, this type of content does not need to be disclosed. So how does Amazon KDP's AI policy, how will it affect us as authors and self-publishers? So while it could be more clear if books are purely created by AI will be rejected, it's crucial for us to be honest about our use of AI. Providing inaccurate information could actually lead to account termination and suspension, as well as holding the royalties as well. So it can be quite damaging to us. It can affect us if we are not honest. It's not yet clear whether Amazon will remove the books that have been purely or solely created by AI, whether that is graphics or text. However, we do need to be honest, and there is nothing to fear, because it would also affect Amazon's business altogether if it does remove all books created by AI that way. So think of it that way, that when you are honest, you're in the safe, because there is not yet any clear rule saying that AI books should not be published on Amazon. So Amazon will be less likely to penalize you because it yet has not set out that rule. in the Amazon Author Central, there is no rule saying that you cannot publish any AI book that uses any AI graphic or sections written by AI. So you will not be penalized if you be honest. You will not be penalized if you say that your book has been written by AI. It's just Amazon's just gathering this data right now to see what is its next steps. So what should you do when dealing with AI on Amazon KDP? It's really essential for you to understand that AI is here to stay. We cannot deny this truth. However, the earlier we're able to implement it correctly, the better it is for our business. We can use AI as an assistant rather than solely relying on it for, purely content creation. AI can also be a valuable tool to improve grammar, writing, and more, but it should also complement human creativity rather than replace it. I personally use Grammarly, and I also use a couple of other tools to generate some ideas as well. Always remember to use AI responsibly. Always remember to edit AI generated content for quality. I also have created a video on how to use AI correctly on Amazon KDP with this new policy in mind, and 3 things that you should do now that there is a new AI policy on Amazon KDP. This video will be linked in the description box below, and Amazon KDP is always implementing new updates. So there's another new update regarding Amazon KDP's new update regarding the daily upload limit. I'll do a video on this shortly, and there will also be a blog article about this new update linked in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.